Hi you guys, it's Lisa. Today we are going to be using our Fiesta de Churro kit so that we can decorate some store-bought churros that I bought. So it comes with 2 bags of easy candy. It comes with the regular white and it comes with the milk chocolate, as well as 2 blends, Arroyo de Flores and some rainbow caviar, which is so cute and delicate and classic. And you also get some prism powder here, diamond white, can't go wrong with white. So in the freezer section, there are store-bought churros that you can get. I got like a box of 30 for like $5. So they're delicious. I already tried some. I put mine in the air fryer just to crisp them up, or you can use the oven, whatever the directions say on the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a few of these in half because I wanna do some like mini churros, and that way you can decorate more. So I'm gonna cut 3 of these in half, and then I'll do a couple of long ones. And essentially we are just gonna put some easy candy on these and some sprinkles and make them really cute. So the first thing I wanna do here after I cut my churros and put them on my Fancy Sprinkles magic mat is I wanna pour the sprinkles out into a bowl just so that I have it ready to decorate as soon as we pour on the easy candy. And it's so cute. Okay, so my easy candy is melted, as you can see, and it comes in this lovely usable piping bag. So I'm essentially just gonna snip the tip off, and I'll show you a couple of ways that you can decorate these. The first way is kind of just like the drizzle method. So I am going to squeeze the easy candy towards the tip of this and just get all the excess air out. And when it starts to come out, that's when I'm gonna drizzle. And I'm gonna start with a back and forth motion before I start to squeeze. That way my flow is already in progress. Okay, now you just sprinkle, and the sprinkles will only stick to whatever is wet, like the chocolate. So this is a really, really cute, easy way to decorate. We've got some little stripy rainbow churros here. A couple of these, but I'm only gonna do half of the churro. And I'm gonna do a little bit heavier of a pour. Okay. And now we sprinkle. Get a 6-lit on there because chocolate on chocolate is a vibe. You could honestly like just dunk these in sprinkles, but I like a more delicate hand. Okay, so now we have these. I don't want the sprinkles to fall off. I'm gonna put those aside. You can also pour your easy candy into a little bowl and just dip it halfway in and then sprinkle. I just like a little bit more coating. And I'm also gonna use what's on here because this is still good. So I have like a pile here, so I'm essentially just gonna like brush this onto one side of the churro completely, just to like coat it. You see that? It's kind of like an eclair. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of rainbow. And I'm gonna take a few of these 6-lits from the other blend and mix them together. Oh my God, this is so cute. It reminds me of like a piñata. See how cute that is? So you can mix and match the sprinkles however you want. Like it can totally just be like random designs. Kids love doing this, and like I said, like you will have a lot of chocolate and sprinkles left over from this unless you make like 55 churros. So you should be able to reuse all of this stuff for another project. Okay, I'm gonna hit this one with the blend. This is cute. My sprinkles are falling off every time I tilt it, but you get the point. And then for these, I'm gonna use white. Okay, so I got my white easy candy out of the microwave. I'm gonna cut a little hole in this one. And then I think for this one, I'm just gonna pour it straight down the middle. Just kind of make it like a natural chocolate waterfall vibe. And then I'm gonna start with a little bit of nonpareils, or caviar as we like to call them in the fancy world. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the sprinkle blend Arroyo de Flores, sprinkle that on, drop a couple of sixlets in here. I love pouring the blends out because you can pick up whichever sprinkles you want and just have like a better looking sprinkle variety rather than just tossing them all on there. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of prism powder and I'll show you up close what it looks like. So prism powder is our edible glitter, and I'm just taking a brush and sort of tapping it on top just to give it a little glittery finish. And this is what she looks like. How cute is that? I would die if someone gave me this churro. Okay, and this one, I wanna show you something that if you don't like chocolate and you just want like a glam looking churro, you can literally just paint it. You don't even need chocolate. Or we also sell dusting pumps, and you can, separately from this kit, we sell dusting pumps. So if you didn't want to brush it on, you just wanted like a thin layer of glitter, you could use a dusting pump, or you can just brush a little bit on. A little bit goes a long way. If you just want like a slightly glittery vibed churro. Wow. She's gorgeous. She's a beautiful churro. She's the prettiest churro at the ball. Isn't she cute? And just look at this. Look at this glittery churro. She didn't even need any chocolate. So pro tip before I sign off, you probably will have chocolate and sprinkles left over. So cut up some pineapple, dip it in the chocolate, sprinkle on it. You can also do strawberries, grapes, any other kind of fruit to go with the churros. So anyways, that is the Fiesta de Churro kit. And don't forget, because Cinco de Mayo is coming up. Bye.